Hello guys, today we learn what is variables, constants and literals in C. Let us see. First we understand variables in C. What is variables? Variables are container for storing data values like numbers and characters. Or otherwise we can say variable taking a space in memory. Whatever you assign a value to a variable, it will store values in the memory. Now let us understand with example. Here integer main, integer salary. We have defined a variable salary and which type of variable? Integers. And then we set the value of variable, assign a value of variable salary equal to 2000. Now I want to print this value of variable salary. So how can we print? Printf implies salary is percent d salary semicolon return 0. Now let us see this example in Visual Studio Code. Type Visual Studio Code and click on open. Now here I have defined a workspace C hyphen program, then there is a folder like C program in F drive of project library. Now select this one. Now click on new file. So now put the name of this file like variables constant dot c. We need the extension. So I put here C because this is the C program. So your variable constant.c file will be created with extension C. Now how can we write? Let us see. Include first header file stdio.h. Now put integer main is the main functions where our program will execute, and here we put the code integer salary equal to 2000 printf implies salary percent d, that is the here you can see percent d is the format specifier and return 0. Now save this program through Control S and run this program, run code. So here you will get implies salary is 2000. We know that is variables means value you can vary means you can change the value of this variable. Here you have defined salary 2000. When you again put salary equal to 3000, now put semicolon. Now see the what will the output. Now run this program again. Here you can see implies salary 3000 means the value of first we have assigned here 2000, but again we set new variable assign 3000, so value of variable will be changed. Now we understand here constants. What is constant? If you want to define a variable whose value cannot be changed, you can use the constant keywords. This will create a constant example. This will create a constant. As we know that the value of pi is 3.14. Whenever you use this pi value, that cannot be changed. So let us see with an example. Constant float define pi value 31.4. Now print of the value of pi is percent f pi return 0. Now save this program and run the code. So you can see the value of pi is 3.1400. If you want to change this value of pi to other, let us see what will happen. Like pi and pi, now assign a value, new value like 5.55, 5.44, and save this program, C programs, and now run this code. So you can see the output variable constant C in main function. Error, we will getting the error assignment of read only variable pi p equal to 5.44. Basically, also you can see here whenever you go to mouse over on this pi, expression must be modifiable value. Means that value will be modifiable. Means not defined constant. So we can understand here the value of pi cannot change. So again, then this program is saved and see the output. So finally we get the value of pi is 3.44, 3.14. So here we understand that value of pi cannot constant variable pi of value cannot be changed. Now comes to third literal. What is literals? Constant refers to a fixed value that the program may not alter during its execution. These fixed values are also called literals. Constant can be any of the basic data types like integer constants, floating constants, character constant, string literals. There are enumeration constants as well. Constants are treated just like regular variables except that their value cannot be modified after their definitions. So let us see one example. Constant literals. We know what is literals. Constant literals. Let us see. Open Visual Studio. Now I have defined like constant integer imply empid equal to 101. 101. Now print this value to the console applications. The value of imply id is would colon and identifier percent %d format is specifier where this value will be print and put here comma like empid. Now in last put semicolon return. Now save these programs. Here we need to understand literals. So constant refer to a fixed value that cannot be changed. These fixed value are also called literals. So here you define imply id like 101. So imply id will not change. Clear this previous output and now run this program through run code. So here you can see the value of employee ID is 101. If you want to change the employee ID like empid 102, so here you get a red underline and when you mouse over you will get expression must be modifiable value. So here already we defined constant So when we will define the constants, when we know that the value of the variable cannot be changed, so that we can define the constants, and constant is a fixed value, so also we know and it is literal. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. If you want to more videos, please subscribe my YouTube channel.